How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Freshdesk, a cloud-based customer support software that helps businesses of all sizes deliver exceptional customer service. So what are the benefits of using Freshdesk? Freshdesk offers a variety of benefits to businesses, including improved customer satisfaction, increased productivity, reduced costs, and scalability. And how this is achieved is, firstly, with improving customer satisfaction. Freshdesk helps businesses provide faster and more efficient customer support, which leads to improved customer satisfaction and increasing productivity. Freshdesk includes a variety of features to help customer support teams be more productive, such as automated workflows and real-time reporting. Reducing costs. Well, Freshdesk is a cloud-based solution, so businesses don't have to worry about the cost of maintaining and upgrading on-premise software. And lastly, scalability. Freshdesk is scalable to meet the needs of businesses of all sizes. The Freshdesk dashboard gives you a quick overview of your customer support activity. You can see how many tickets are open, how many tickets have been resolved, and how many tickets are overdue. You can also see a list of your most recent tickets and conversations. How to manage customer tickets. Freshdesk makes it easy to manage customer tickets. You can create tickets manually, or you can have tickets automatically created when customers submit emails or web forms. Once a ticket is created, you can assign it to a team member, add comments, and track the progress of the ticket. And how do you create and manage conversations? Well, Freshdesk allows you to create and manage conversations with customers, and these can be used to provide support for specific issues, or they can be used to build relationships with customers. It also includes a knowledge base feature, which you can use to create and manage articles that provide self-help resources for customers. If you're wondering how to set up automated workflows, well, Freshdesk allows you to set up automated workflows to streamline your customer support process. For example, you can set up a workflow to automatically assign tickets to the appropriate team member, or to automatically send follow-up emails to customers. And how to create real-time reports, you might be wondering. Well, Freshdesk includes a variety of real-time reports that can help you track your customer support performance. For example, you can see reports on the number of tickets opened, the number of tickets resolved, and the average time it takes to resolve tickets. Freshdesk is a comprehensive customer support software that can help businesses of all sizes improve their customer service. It offers a variety of features and benefits, including improved customer satisfaction, increased productivity, reduced costs, and scalability. If you're looking for a customer support software that can help you grow your business, I encourage you to try Freshdesk. You can sign up for a free trial using the link in the description. See you on the next one.